Hello, this is Christian with OutdoorGameCameras.com, and today I'm doing an unboxing and review on this new 2019 Browning Command Ops HD. So first off, it does 16 MP pictures, 4 rapid fire shots in 2 seconds, HD video with audio up to 2 minutes, 32 gig SD card support, 75 feet night IR illumination, multi-shots up to 8 images, 0.5 second trigger speed, time-lapse mode plus IR trigger images, easy to program, silent image capture, runs on 8 AA alkyne batteries not included. On the back here has more about this camera and more specs, so let's unbox this camera. Alright, we just unboxed this new 2019 Browning Command Ops HD camera. So first off, it comes with a strap that's 6 feet long. Got your instructions, got your camera. On the side, got a little lever that pops out, and this pulls up. This little window opens. This displays what kind of camera and what model this is. Here's a screw mount. This is a tray of batteries. That's where the batteries go. Push the eject button, then this little tray pops out. Push up a little and then pulls out. There you go. Put the batteries in and then push this back in. Once you hear a click sound, you're good. Here's where the 12 volt goes. This is your SD card right here. On and off switch, eject. E for enter. Right, left, down, up mode. Here's the display screen. That's how you set this camera up, and you can see how many pictures and how many videos that you have on this camera. On my next review, I'll go over that and how that works on the quick setup. Here's the camera itself. Here's a night vision, infrared, and then this is the motion detector. Go ahead and shut this. Get this little lever over, make sure it's over, then pop down, push down. Here, click, you're good. Here's where your strap goes. Here's where your security cable goes, and that's not included. Here's the top, here's the side, here's the bottom, here's the other side, and here's the back. So far this camera looks great. Look out for my next review on the quick setup and the mountain review. This is Christian with OutdoorGameCameras.com. Subscribe and like and leave a comment below.
Falling too fast to prepare.